Hi there friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you how to change your current country in Google Messages. This process is simple and only takes a minute if you follow along carefully. Open the Google Messages app on your Android device. When the app opens, you will see the main screen where all your SMS and text conversations are displayed. This is the place where every message you've sent or received appears. Next, see the corner of the screen. Tap the three-dot menu icon or sometimes your Google account profile icon. This will open a small menu with several options related to the app. Now, tap on Settings. Once you enter the Settings page, you will see different options that control how your messages and account features work. Now scrolling the settings until you find the option Your Current Country. Tap on it to open the country selection page. Here you will see a list of available countries. Carefully scroll through the list and select the country you want to set. After selecting it, confirm or save the change. Your country setting will now be updated inside the app. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends so they can learn something new too. Your support really helps the channel grow.